Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two streaming service platform, which is Philo and YouTube TV. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Philo, Philo is perfect for budget streamer who wants live TV without breaking the bank. It offers over 70 plus entertainment and lifestyle channel, unlimited DVR, and an easy interface at a low cost. The catch: no sports or local channel, which make it less appealing for those who want a full cable replacement. YouTube TV deliver a complete package with sports, news, and local channel, plus smooth performance and 4K option. It's ideal for households wanting everything in one place, but comes with a steep price tag. If you value affordability, go with Philo, but for premium coverage, YouTube TV wins. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.